Hello guys and welcome to GTO Part 8. And in today's video guys we're going to be working on the seats. Now we didn't get all the footage from start to finish, but we did get a good chunk of it and I think you guys are going to enjoy what we put together for you.
I don't know if I was like, shit like rock man. You're not talking about. Alright. Knock the camera up and down. That is some rusty stuff. Keep going. Oh, I found a quarter. And a pencil. How long has that been stuck under there? Oh wait, hold on. Oh, that is an old pencil. Especially the coders. It's gonna go on the GTO.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the seats are completely upholstered and I've repainted all the metal parts and replaced all the chrome. So they look very nice. Very happy with how they turned out. But pretty nice looking seats. We're going to get them in the GTO now. Alright guys, so we got the new seats in, looking really nice. Got a lot more interior parts to go, but the seats are pretty big ones, so got that done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like the video, and make sure to follow Mad Madness Official on Instagram. And until next time, see ya.